So today I wanted to show you how to make those adorable little tulle pom-poms for photo shoots. I use them for decoration, for cake smashes, for different type of shoots. So first of all you need a tiny bit of cardboard, the nice hard cardboard, and the size of it is roughly the base of your tulle tube. So we're going to need that mesh tool. I bought that on Amazon, and now we're going to grab end of it, hold it just like that, and 30 times we're going to roll it around. I hope you can see that. I'm just unrolling to have a little bit of space, and now we're going to do this around 30 times. The more you're going to do it, the stiffer and denser your tulle pom-pom is going to be, and more full. Try not to make it too tight, so there is a little bit of looseness. And out of one tube you should have a few pom-poms ready. Now cut the end. Get yourself a little bit of tulle as well. You can get that ready before. Now we're going to take the cardboard out. Make sure you bend it in the middle so it's easier to get it out. Hold it with your hand so you don't lose that. Right inside. Now neatly fold it and tie it in the middle. Make a really good solid knot. You can go a couple times over and knot again, just so it stays immovable. And just for good measure, tie it again. Very satisfying little bow. Now the bit I really enjoy doing. Make sure you use nice and sharp scissors for fabric. And now we're going to take it and cut it right at the end. And don't worry if it looks messy at this point, we'll make it look very pretty. All the way through, and then we're going to do the same thing on the other end. At the moment it looks like a really bad haircut with lots of uneven bits, but don't worry because we're going to do shaping bits. Just cutting second bit of that bow, doing exactly the same thing. So if you do more than 30 times, it might be a bit difficult to get through it. I think 30 is a nice optimal time you need to go with your tulle all around. I really like those because you can just reuse them. If they get messy or dirty from the cake, just hand wash them with soap and that should be fine. Just don't wash them in the washing machine. I've done that mistake and I ruined the whole batch. Oh, painful still. We're going to cut off the very obvious things that stick out, and this is my favorite bit when you get this pom-pom into shape. So just trim gently the edges to give it a nice round sphere. And you can fluff it with your hands and the little bits will appear more and more. And you trim it more and more, and that's how you get that lovely, dense, full pom-pom. It's starting to get a really nice shape, and just keep going till you're completely happy with it. And that's the finished result. Voila, you can use it for cake smash or any other sessions.